Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into a super simple, yet incredibly useful life hack: how to make your Bluetooth speaker water resistant. This is perfect for enjoying your tunes in the shower, at the beach, or even by the pool. We've all been there, wanting to listen to music but worrying about water damage. Well, worry no more. This DIY solution is easy, cheap, and effective. So, what do you need? Not much, really. First, you'll need your trusty Bluetooth speaker. It can be any small speaker you have. Then, you'll need one of two things: a regular, clean Ziploc bag or a clean plastic container, like a food tub. Make sure the Ziploc bag is a good size to fit your speaker with some extra space, and the container has a lid that closes tightly. Also, you'll need water for the testing phase, but we'll get to that. Let's start with the Ziploc bag method. Simply place your Bluetooth speaker inside the Ziploc bag. Make sure the speaker is centered and that there's enough space around it. Now, seal the bag, making sure it's completely closed. The goal is to create a barrier against water. The plastic of the bag will allow the sound to pass through, so you won't lose any audio quality. Next, let's look at the plastic container option. Place your speaker inside the container. Close the lid tightly, ensuring a good seal. Again, this creates a water-resistant barrier, while allowing the sound to travel through. Plastic containers are great because they offer a bit more protection, especially if you're worried about impacts or rough handling. Now, for the fun part, the water test. This is where we see if our DIY water-resistant speaker actually works. First, make sure your speaker is turned on and connected to your device. Play some music. Now, with your speaker protected in either the Ziploc bag or the plastic container, take your water and gently splash it onto the speaker. You can be as gentle or as enthusiastic as you like. Just make sure you're testing the water resistance. If you use the Ziploc bag, you should notice that the water beads up on the plastic, and the speaker continues to play the music. If you use the plastic container, the same should be true. The music should continue playing without any issues. If your speaker starts to sound muffled or cuts out, it's possible that water is getting in, or the protection isn't sufficient. In this case, double-check your seal. Maybe try a thicker Ziploc bag, or ensure your container lid is properly closed. It's crucial to make sure there are no gaps for water to enter. Once you've confirmed that your speaker is water resistant, you can take it anywhere. Enjoy your music in the shower, at the beach, by the pool, or wherever you like. Just remember to always be cautious and avoid submerging the speaker completely. This method is designed to offer splash resistance, not full waterproofing. And that's it, a super simple, cost-effective way to protect your Bluetooth speaker. This hack can save your speaker from water damage. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more easy DIY tips and tricks. See you in the next video.